Welcome to the Scholars Learning Classes. In this video, we will be starting our chapter number 12 of Electricity and Circuits from NCERT. Now, see, what is electricity? How do you get electricity? Now, you can observe around you that most of the things that are working are due to the electricity. For example, we use electricity to operate pumps that lift water from wells or from ground levels. We need electricity for the light, right? That gives light in your room and you are able to read or see the things around you. Electricity is also needed in the lifts. Electricity is also needed in the manufacturing companies. Everywhere you see the electricity, right? Now, if I talk about your cars are moving, they are just because of the engines that produce the circuits and electricity due to which your car operates, right? So everything that is in your home that you operate, like your ovens, your refrigerators, fans, television, mixer grinders, washing machines, everything's require electricity. So electricity make it possible to light our homes, roads, offices, market, factories even after sunset. Even if there is no sun, even if there is a rainy day, we can see just because of this electricity that lights up the room. Now, from where do you get the electricity? Your state power station supplies electricity, right? Now, who generates the electricity? There are different plants, thermal power plants, that use coal to generate electricity. Then hydropower plants that uses water to generate electricity. Then there are solar power plants that uses sun, or you can say the solar energy, the heat or the rays that you get from the sun, it uses in order to generate the electricity. So the electricity is generated in these plants and then it is supplied to the various offices, homes, markets, everywhere, and it is supplied by the state power station. Like if I say Haryana board or Delhi board, so all these state power stations supplies electricity. Now there are some chances that your electricity supply might fail. There are power cuts. In that case, you might use some torch, batteries. Earlier, there were batteries that used to charge up and you can use while your power supply is cut. Then now you have inverters. They store the electricity in them. Now, in such a way, you can say if I talk about torch, it has a bulb that lights up when it is switched on. Similarly, batteries also have bulb. The old batteries I'm talking about. Inverters have the electric circuits that generate and store electricity in them. Right. So, see, electricity is very important for our life. Without electricity nowadays, we cannot think of our life. How we will operate the things, how we will work if there is no electricity. So electricity is very important and we should save electricity because these are made up of solar power plants are still not very much in the use these days, but we are mostly dependent on electricity from thermal and hydro, whereas water is also scarce as well as your coal is also limited. So electricity is still limited. There are some villages, some areas where there are no electricity they get just because of the shortage of electricity. So we should not waste the electricity. So this was all about the brief introduction of electricity. Do download our Scholars Learning app and enjoy the learning experience with us.